In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Monday.com CRM. To get started, head over to Monday.com and begin the sign-up process. This is where you'll create your workspace and choose the setup options that best match how you plan to use the platform. Monday.com is designed to be flexible, so the choices you make during setup help tailor the experience to your needs from the start. On the sign-up screen, click Continue with Google for this example. You can also sign up using your company email if that's a better fit for your workflow. Using Google is usually the fastest option, especially if you want quick access and easier account management. Next, select the Google account you want to use for your Monday.com account. Make sure you choose the account you'll actually want connected to your CRM moving forward, since this can affect integrations and access later on. After choosing the account, click Continue to approve the sign-in and move forward with the setup. You'll then be asked what type of use best describes your account. In this example, choose Personal. Generally, work is best for business teams and company collaboration. Personal is useful if you're setting things up for your own use or testing, and Nonprofits is intended for organizations in that space. Choose the one that fits your situation best, then continue. When prompted about what you'd like to manage first, select Sales and CRM. This option is focused on tracking leads, managing customer relationships, organizing deals, and keeping your sales process structured. Other choices may be more centered around project management or operations, but Sales and CRM is the right fit if your goal is to build a customer pipeline. Click Continue, and then choose Sales Pipeline as your main focus. This is a smart starting point because it helps you organize opportunities by stage, track progress from lead to closed deal, and get visibility into where each prospect stands. If you're new to CRM tools, starting with the pipeline gives you a very practical foundation. Click Continue again to move into your workspace. At the next prompt, click Remind me later if you don't want to invite team members yet. You can always bring people in later once your CRM is organized and ready. Then click Connect Google Account. This can help sync useful information and improve how Monday.com works with your existing Google tools, which is especially helpful for communication and contact-related workflows. Once that's done, you can start adding your existing contacts, deals, or leads if you already have them. That way, your CRM becomes useful right away, and you can begin managing your sales process immediately. That's how to set up Monday.com CRM. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.